Morning students. The next chapter is a binary number system. Okay, the binary number system, that is a standard. Okay, second chapter. Okay, what is binary system? You have learnt about the different ways of communication such as the internet, mobile phones, that chat applications, etc. How do you know that your data is safe while transferring it over a network? Okay, what is someone access it while being transmitted? To ensure that data is not easily accessible, the information being transmitted in encoded in binary format. So what is binary system? Okay, the computer does not understand human language. Okay, whatever human language is there, ours English or Kannada, whatever is there, that computer not understand that language. The computer uses the binary system to communicate. Binary system means the binary system stores data in the form of zeros and ones. The binary system only understand the computers only understand the zeros and ones. All the information that you type is converted into binary format. Whatever you type, it will be converted into binary format, that is 0 and 1. While the regular decimal system, you use the mathematics to uses. Okay, you use mathematics for mathematics. You use 10 different digits. Okay, 10 different digits means in computer language 10 different digits means 0 to 9. Okay, 0 to 9. The binary system uses only 2 digits, that is zeros and ones. Okay, that is zeros and ones. You need to first learn how to convert numbers from decimal to binary, decimal to binary and vice versa, means decimal to binary and binary to decimal. Once you learn this, you can easily encode and decode text. Okay, if you understand converting decimal to binary and binary to decimal, you can easily encode and decode text. So first let's learn how to convert binary numbers to decimal numbers. Okay, how to convert binary number to decimals, that is converting binary to decimal. You can see here they given in the decimal system, you apply base 10 arrival at a number. After 10, the 0 is incremented by 1 to form the next number. Let's understand how base 10 is used for numbers with the help of an example. Okay, here you can see the example. Okay, I will simplify this in the format of calculation. Okay, the binary numbers means zeros and ones. Okay, here you can see the chart. Okay, decimal number 0 is equal to binary number 0, and 1 is equal to 1, and 2 is equal to 10, 3 is equal to 11, 4 is equal to 100, 5 is equal to 101. Why this is like this? I will show you. Okay, see here in the form of zeros and ones in binary system. If 5 is there, okay, decimal number, this is decimal, 5 is there decimal number 5 is there. If you convert it into binary, it will be like, you can see here, zero one 01. Okay, why? Because this 0101 means in converting the decimal to binary, the digit is we have to give in the presentation like 8124 like this. Okay, the power is 1 2 4 8 16 32 64 128 256 like that. Okay, if you add 1 with 1 2, then 2 with 2 4, 4 with 4 8, 8 with 8 16. Okay, you have to multiply by 8. Okay, whatever is there, 2 raised to, you have to go 2 raised to 0 means, okay, 2 raised to 0 means 1. Okay, 2 raised to 1 means 2, then 2 raised to 2 means 4, 2 raised to 3 means 8, 2 raised to 4 means 16, then 2 raised to 5 means 32, then 2 raised to 6, 2 raised to 7, 2 raised to 8 like that. it will be storing the binary values. Okay, if you represent a 5 data, 5 decimal number, 5, then you will take the help of 4 and 1, then you have to take 4 bit. Okay, first take only 4 bit, then it will be represented as 0101, means this is what the decimal equivalent of 5. Okay, this is what the decimal to binary conversion. Okay, if you want to convert it in the form of multiplication also you can do. Okay, that you cross verify with this one. In textbook also given in 12 number pages. Okay, you see this, the 1101 is there na, you will solve by using this method also. Okay, 1101. Okay, 1101. Okay, you take here 8 4 2 1. Okay, 1 we have to add 1 1 plus 4 plus 8 is equal to 13. Okay, here also you can see the decimal answer is 13. Okay, you can also do like in a textbook how they given, you can do like that also, it will come like that, the same only. Okay, you can do like that, 1101. Okay, we solve, goes on solving. 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 0 into 2 plus 1 into 2. Here you have to give power here 0. Whenever the power starts with 0, 1, 2, 3. Then goes on calculating this. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 2 2s are 4 plus 0 is 0 only. Then 0 is to 1, 2 raised to 0 means 1. 1 into 1, 1. Okay, you can calculate this one. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. Okay, this is how you can cross verify. This is what the simplified form you can see is this thing. Okay, if this is the what the decimal to binary conversion. Okay, okay, if you got any doubts in this one, you can solve again. Okay, the second one, that is nothing but in textbook that is given, you can see here 110010. Okay, 110010. Okay, you can give here 1 2 4 8 16 32. Okay, you can add here 32 plus 16 plus 32 plus 16 plus 2. Okay, 6 plus 2 8 plus 10 3 4 5. That is, the value answer is 50. You can see here the 50 is the answer. You can also cross verify by this decimal this conversation before we done. 110010. Okay, 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 0 into 2 plus 0 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 0 into 2. Okay, give a power here 0 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 2 raised to 5 means you have to multiply 2 with the 5 times. Okay, 2 raised to 5 means, okay, you have to multiply 2 with 5 times. Okay, see here. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. Okay, this is 32. Then here this one is 16 plus this is plus. Okay, 16 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1, sorry, into 2 means 2 this one. Okay, then this is equal to 32 plus 16 plus 2. Okay, 32 plus 16 is 48 plus 2, that is 50. This is what you have to calculate. Okay, what is decimal to binary. Okay, oh sorry, binary to decimal, this one. Okay, sorry, I have confusion. This is binary to decimal. Okay, you after this second 2.3 that subject is converting decimal to binary. I will solve that one. Okay, then next one is decimal to binary. Okay, converting decimal to binary. Okay, we will see that one. First example is 23. Okay, what is that? 23. We have to convert it into binary. Binary means you can easily take this one, calculation is like this. Before this one, okay, you have to divide, goes on dividing by 2. Okay, 2 11s are 22, remaining is 1. Then 2 5s are 10, remaining is 1. Then 2 4s are, sorry, 2 2s are 4, then remaining is 1. And 2 1s are 1, sorry, 2 1s are 2, then remaining is 0. So the representation of 23 is 1 0 1 1 1. You can see here, this is the representation of 23. See here, the answer is same, 1 0 1 1 1. You can solve by using cross verification, what we did in previously. 1 0 1 1, that is 1 2 4 8 16. Okay, 16 plus 4 20, 20 plus 2 22, plus 1 23. Okay, you can also cross verify like this also. This is what decimal to binary. Okay, you can solve the next second example, that is 249. Here you can solve that one. 249 goes on dividing by what? 2. Okay, 2 1 2, then 4, remaining is 1 2, then 62 2s are 124, then remaining is 0 here. And 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 32, and 2s are 62, then remaining is 0. Then 2 15s are 30, then remaining is 1. 2 7s are 14, the remaining is 1. Then 2 3s are 6, then remaining is 1. And 2 1s are 2, remaining is 1 here. Okay, the answer is 1 1. You have to take this, okay, all. Okay, 1 1 1 1 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 0 0 1. This is what the 249 is equal to this one. Okay, you also cross verify this one by using 1 2 4 8 16 32 64, then 128. Okay, here 128, then 64, then 32, then 16, then 8 plus 1. Go and calculate this one total. Okay, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 2 14, 14 plus 6 14 plus 6 how much? 20, 20 plus 8 28, 28 plus 1 29. Okay, 2 1 3 3 3 6, then 6 6 12, 12 plus 2 14. Okay, 1 1 1 2. Okay, this is what 249. This is what the answer is correct. Okay, the answer is correct. What we done in cross verification also, it is correct. Okay, you can see here the 5 ones. Okay, the answer is same as the example given in textbook. Okay, you can solve with your own. Okay, you can take the numbers. Okay, the simple numbers you take, the last in this one, the given in here, convert binary to decimal and decimal to binary. You go and solve this one. Okay, you will get the how to solve this one. Any doubts, ask me. Okay, then next thing is bits and bytes. Okay, 2.4, that is a bit is a smallest form of a data. Okay, bit is a smallest form of data. A single digit, either 0 or 1 bits are so small that individually they cannot save any useful information. Bits are grouped together into, okay, together into groups of 8 digits to form a byte. You can see here, this is 1 bit and this is 1 bit, and these form 8 digits are there, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, the 8 bits total 8 bits is called a 1 byte. Okay, the 1 byte. Then bits and bytes are usually used while transmitting data over a network. Whatever data you are transmitting through network, that is usually used. Okay, for example, 4 bytes is equal to 432 bits. Okay, 4 bytes means, okay, 1 byte means how much? 8 bits. 8 bits into 4, 32. Okay, equal to 32. Can be used to represent a computer IP address while transferring data over a network. An IP address represents the computer's name in a decimal format. So the IP address is, okay, whatever the IP address you transmitting over a network, that will be like 192.168, like that the format is there. Okay, the IP address can be encoded as, okay, you can see here the IP address is encoded as, see here, this is what the decimal to binary conversion. Okay, this is what the 4 decimal digits are there. Okay, 192 and 168 and 1 and 29, they are represented in the form of binary. You also go and cross verify this one, 192 is there, the correct is there or not. Okay, and this next second one, 168, this also is 160, there is there or not. Okay, you cross verify this one. Okay, if wrong is there, ask me. Okay, converting each number from decimal to binary digital numbers are encoded in binary format to prevent others from reading your data while it is being transferred over the internet. Okay, whatever your data you are transferring through internet, that will be encoded in the form of zeros and ones. Okay, then next point is ASCII codes. Okay, what is mean by ASCII codes? You have learned how to convert decimal numbers to binary code, how to convert characters into binary. Okay, that is the ASCII code. There are there is no formula for this. However, there are different character encoding schemes such as ASCII and Unicode, which define the decimal value for each character. Each character encoding scheme has chart that defines the letters. The American Standard Code for information in interchange, ASCII, okay, that is nothing but the ASCII, is based on English alphabets. It encodes 128 characters, which include numbers 0 to 9, lowercase letters, that is small a to z, then uppercase letter capital A to z, then basic functional symbols, control code and space. Okay, you go on this all ASCII encoding chart, 128 character, whatever is there, you have to go on this one. Okay, go through this all, keep on remembering your main concentrate on your alphabets and characters and all escape key, how much the decimal code is there and what is the a binary equivalent. Then all you have to go through the chart. Okay, 128 character, whatever they given in textbook, you go through all. Okay, you need here all are given, the standards are given. Okay, that is started with a 0, you can see here, started with a 0, they ended with the 127. Their standard made the standard ASCII codes. Okay, this is what the ASCII codes chart is there. Okay, you go through this. Okay, then you don't need to memorize the ASCII chart, but you can refer to it to encode or decode text. For example, let's encode the name Prashant according to ASCII chart. It will be encoded in binary as as follows. Okay, you see here the Prashant means the P, capital P is a capital letter, then afterwards all is small. Okay, what is there? P capital letter. What is the value here? You can see here the value is 80, that is encoded in the form of 101 and 4 zeros. Okay, you can see here the same. And R is also a small r is there. You can see here small r 114, that is 1110010, 1110010. Like that you go on converting your name, your father name and your mother name and surname. Okay, you convert that and send to me. Okay, after finishing this you have to convert your name, father name and mother name and surname. Okay, that convert it and send to me. Okay, that all letters should be in the form of capitals. Okay, all letters should be in capitals. Now refer to ASCII table to decode the following binary numbers. You can decode this one. Okay, 1010. After this all the ASCII decoded above number using ASCII table, you will read the text, that is well done. Okay, this is what the W means, capital W. You can see here the capital W is 87. The 87 101011. Okay, like that you also learn how to decode and encode. Okay, from this chapter you can encode the whatever character is given and decode that one. Okay, then this is what the second chapter. Go through this all. Okay, this is very important because so many points is there. Conversion of decimal to binary and binary to decimal, then the ASCII codes and conversion of your numbers, bytes is there. So goes on this one, and any doubts ask me, and go after completing this one goes on solving exercise. And here the problems are given here. Conversion, convert the following numbers into binary. Okay, convert this one and convert to decimal. Then you can go through this all projects whatever given, you can go through this and you solve this one also projects in your peer book and send me. Okay, thank you.